Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming both the source and the destination exist, because mclink creates a pointer, not a copy. Once done, open Command Prompt or PowerShell with administrator rights to avoid permission failures. Make sure you note full absolute paths. Relative paths can break later. Then decide which link type fits your goal. Use a directory symbolic link for flexibility, a junction for compatibility, or a hard link for single-file permanence. Now you create the link. In Command Prompt, type mclink with the chosen flag. For example, mclink/d c \link path c \target path creates a directory symlink. If you prefer PowerShell, run new item type symbolic link path c \link path target c \target path. Make sure to quote paths that contain spaces. Once executed, the shell returns a success message. If it fails, double-check you used administrator and that the target path exists. Those are the two most common. Finish by testing the new link. Open it in File Explorer or run a directory listing to confirm it references the target correctly. If applications don't follow the link, make sure they support symlinks versus junctions. If you get access denied, rerun as administrator or enable developer mode for non-elevated symlink creation. Alternatively, use a junction for legacy compatibility. Finally, remove broken links with rmdir or del, and recreate them with corrected paths or permissions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.